What's up guys, Old Big Brandon here, taking a look at the iPevo point of view web camera. But here it is. It's a really nice web camera. There's a lot of cool things about this web camera, different from a lot of other web cameras. I really like this. So basically, if you guys don't know what iPevo is, go check their website out. They do Skype phones and a lot of Skype related stuff, but here's one of their Skype related products, I guess I would say, because you can send pictures to people on Skype and you can actually use video chat. And there's also a built-in microphone in here also, but it's designed as a handheld pointing device. So it's designed as a pointing like a pen camera. I'll show you guys right now. So you can actually take it from the stand right here, and it holds very nice. And you got right here the clicking take picture button right there. But that's the handheld pointing feature. Shooting and snapping from any angle, of course, with that button, camera button right here, that green camera button right there. Really easy, and you can transfer snapshots instantly using this button right here to any Skype contact. So it works really nice. Works with Windows Vista and XP. I'm not sure about 7, and I'm not sure about Mac either. So iPevo PoV web camera. On the back, here's some specs, and I'll read to you that in a little bit. And here's what you get. You're gonna get the quick start guide. Sorry guys, you guys want to see the product real bad. And here's a software that you need to install, and that's basically it. And then you got foam, and then that's where the camera went and everything. I didn't do unboxing on this, but here's what you guys get. You guys basically get about 3 parts, 3 separate pieces. Let's take it out. So there you go guys. One is the clip onto the monitor, one is the table stand, I guess, and then here's the iPevo PoV camera. It's a really neat camera, guys. I really definitely like it. I really like all the features, and what's really cool about it is it has a manual focus, which you can focus from macro to portrait, I guess I would say. So here you just rotate it to manual focus. You do it by hand, and here's the USB cord. It's pretty long, USB 2.0, about say 4 feet, I'd guess 4 or 5 feet long. Really good length for a camera. And there it is. Here's one cool feature I liked about it, how they went about doing the stands. Here's the one you actually clip onto the top of your monitor right here. This actually inserts at the bottom of the iPevo PoV, and just stick that in there, and it stays in really nice. And then this one just clips onto your monitor just like that, and it looks really nice. And here's another cool feature. If you ever need a wait, I'll get into that later, but it actually pivots on a ball. As you guys can see, it pivot back and forth on a ball, and then you can turn it any way you want to, which is really nice. So it's sitting on your monitor like this, and you can point it down, and that's what it's going to look like. You can point it up, point it sideways, turn it, bring it back, bring it forth. It works really nice. This pivoting thing is genius. I haven't seen, usually other cameras, I'll show you my Dynex webcam. My Dynex webcam, it just moves up and down, as you guys can see, up and down. That's it. It doesn't move any other way. It stays onto the monitor, and that's it. It doesn't move any other way. So you can't, it's on your web, you can't actually point it to the person next to you or anything like that. So, and it pivots really easy too, guys. So on the top, the buttons you have here, the physical buttons, the green ones to take pictures instantly. Here's the second one to send pictures to your contacts using the software. And here's another unique feature that I really like, which is the on and off feature. If you turn it on, the USB connects to the camera connects to your computer. If you turn it off, it disconnects from your computer, so you don't have to unplug it whenever you're not using it, which is a really cool feature that I found in this camera. And the macro focusing looks real nice. I made a couple videos with this camera, and it's really clear. It's actually not 1.3 megapixels. It's actually high resolution, I believe. And then here's the manual focus you have on here, and you can actually focus it. So when you're actually using it as a pen, it's like macro on things and take pictures, it looks really good. So like perfect example is when I was trying to show my cousin how to do some homework. Worked really I didn't have my Dynex webcam, couldn't focus or anything like that, but this webcam is gonna work really great when I have to help people out on Skype or anything like that. I can just use this webcam right here and use it to focus, and use it as a pen to show people homework and stuff, like little writing, small fonts. So when you're not using it as a pen, just stick it back in here, and then it stays on top of your computer. Now what if you don't want this to stay on top of your computer? They also give you another little stand idea right here, and you leave this on and this basically just clips on the bottom like this, and then just sits. I mean, I thought this was a really cool, unique idea. Just sits on your desk whenever you don't want it to be on your monitor, like I do sometimes. I just leave it on my desk, and then whenever I want to use it as a pen, take it out, use it as a pen, use the focus sometimes, and take pictures and snap easily. But here's a con, I guess. You can only send pictures to people with this software. So if your friend doesn't have one of these cameras, then you can't send pictures with the they don't have the camera. So I guess that's one negative thing I found. I'm not sure if that's totally correct, but when I tried sending, because I know iTouch iPhone Reviewer has his camera, and I use it with him sometimes, and then when he has the software off, it doesn't let me send it to him. So that may be a problem, I guess. But it's really cool. I mean, I think I saw a package on the website. You can get this 2 for $30, I think, but original price, the pricing will be in the description. But I think there's a package deal or something on their website right now, and you get 2 for $30, and so you can give one to your friend or your college roommate or something like that whenever you're using this. But overall, it's a really great camera. Here's some specs I'm gonna read off to you guys real quick. Sensor CMOS interface, USB 1.1, 2.0 compatible. Resolution is VGA 640 by 480 pixels, and the focus frame is 30 frames per second. Adjustable manual focus, multiple digital, zoom, automatic white balance, and gamma correction, and has a built-in microphone. So when you're using this with Skype, you don't have to. You don't need a separate microphone for this. And it's compatible with Skype and other internet instant messaging software, including Yahoo, MSN, AOL, and Windows Live Messenger. And it's only 70 grams. And what you get is quick start guide, installation CD, and the webcam, including the stand and the holding base. But this is a really cool idea, webcam. If you guys looking picking up a webcam, high quality webcam, and it also doubles as a pen and a nice stand, definitely pick up this one, guys. It's a really awesome product. So guys, thanks for watching. Go check them out, iPevo.com.